How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to give a nice little update video on what's going on around here. The winner of the body armor plates from the headliner video has been picked. The parts have been shipped out to them. It actually went to a fellow YouTuber. Their channel is Do Something Outdoors. It is a father and son, and it's pretty cool because they're doing a Jeep Cherokee project that they got for the son for when he turns 16. So that'll be really nice to kind of follow along with their project and see what they're doing with their Jeep. Other than that, some bad news. The headliner in the video has failed. Within about 10-15 minutes of posting that video, I started getting people reaching out saying that the glue that I used does not hold up to heat very well. So I decided to keep an eye on it and see what's going on. Everything looked good. I did leave the Jeep sitting outside a few days in a nice heat, and I did notice it started to come down a little bit. So when I got in there and started looking around, what I found, the glue held up. This is a piece of the material that I bought. I bought it off Amazon, as you can see here. It's got foam on the back of it. Well, when I got in there and looked at the Jeep, the foam, everything is stuck to the pre-molded piece. So you can see here that the material comes off of the foam, and I'm pretty sure that's what's happening in there, because there's a lot of spots where I can see where the foam is still stuck to that pre-molded part that you attach all this to, and this material here is actually hanging down. So you can see it doesn't take much to get that off of there. So now the only thing I got to do is, I guess, just pull it apart and see what I can do. I might just try to get some more glue and reattach the material to the foam, since the foam is still holding up very well. But yeah, I don't know. We're gonna have to dig into that one and take a look. Let's go out there. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see, it's just flopping around, just as bad as the original one. But like I said, when you feel around right here, when you're touching this and you really push it up, you can feel the foam is still stuck up there. You can see, just take your finger and you can reattach it. So it seems to me like the material is separated from the foam without really digging around. I was able to pull the light here down and reach around up in there, but the foam is still stuck to it. So like I said, the material's separated. Like I said, I'm hoping I can pull this thing out and just get the fabric to reattach to the foam. But yeah, this is that's not good, and I'm pretty hacked off about it because I didn't want to do this more than once. So we'll see. I'll pull it apart and get this back up in there. But yeah, that's a major disappointment. So if you're planning on doing your headliner, search around. It seems like a lot of the people, they just go to like a fabric store and just get some kind of fabric and then glue it up there, and they've had no problems. I went ahead with an actual headliner material, and not good. So that'll be another project here coming up, but that's gonna do it for that. Let's go back inside. Anyway, like I said, this is just a quick little update on what's going on with the Jeep and what's going on around here. I was planning on going turkey hunting, which we did. I packed the entire Jeep full of pretty much everything you could think of, except for my memory cards. So unfortunately, not only did I not get a turkey, you guys didn't get to see the footage of it. Try to put together another giveaway. You guys really seem to kind of be into that kind of stuff, so that'll be pretty cool. Like I said, this whole thing is built on just getting out, working in the garage, keeping the old projects going. So maybe next time we'll try to put together some kind of tool or something like that. But anyway, big congratulations to the winner. Like I said, it was a father and son combo that actually have their own YouTube channels, Do Something Outdoors. So everybody needs to go over and check them out, see how they're doing. Let's keep up on that project to keep them motivated, keep them out there working on it. But that'll do it for this one. I'll keep you posted on the headliner, what I'm planning on doing with that. If you haven't already, hop on over to the Instagram, It's _next_week's_adventures. You can kind of follow along more up to date on what's going on, because YouTube doesn't allow me to post little update things yet because I haven't hit that many subscribers. But we're pushing for it. We're doing good, and I appreciate everybody watching. That's going to do it for this video. Stay tuned. Like I said, we're going to try to put together more giveaways. But have a good weekend. Get out there and work on that project. I'd love to see pictures of them. Drop a comment on what you're working on. Let me know what you want to see in the videos. But you guys have a good weekend. Catch you next time.